and this video will teach you how to connect custom domain to Lovable AI project. There are two methods. First of all, you can connect the custom domain to your Lovable AI app using the Lovable AI Pro. So you just need to upgrade your account to Pro, and then you will be able to connect the custom domain. But I'll show you another method what you can do. So first of all, you need to go to your projects page, open your project, and you need to deploy your project on the GitHub. So you just need to click this button in the top left corner, go to settings, and then Git, then open GitHub. And right here, you need to click the connect button and deploy your project on GitHub. And once your project will be on GitHub, then you can go to Vercel. If you don't have an account, you need to create an account on Vercel, and then you need to click add new project. Right here, you need to select continue with GitHub. And you need to choose your project and deploy on Vercel. Once you will deploy your Lovable AI project on Vercel, you need to go to projects, click on your project. And when you open your project page, you need to click this plus icon across domain, and you need to add existing domain to your project. Just click add existing in the top right. And right here, you need to enter your domain name. I have got a domain on GoDaddy, so I will go to my products. I'll paste my domain. Then click add domain. So guys, now we need to add the CNAME and TXT records to our domain name. Let's go to our domain DNS, click on add new records, choose CNAME first, and copy www in the name and paste it. This one in the value, and click on save. Then you need to add the TXT record. Write this one in the name and this in the value. Click on the save button again and click on the refresh. So after that, you need to wait from few hours to 48 hours and your domain will be connected to your Lovable AI project. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.